Libanese beats.
Everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Extreme Beauty Therapy. If you're just passing by for the very first time, please subscribe to my channel. You look at the corner, just look at the corner beside that subscribe, you'll see a bell. Just touch it. Don't, it's not much, just click on it, touch it, and you will get notified anytime we have a video. So today guys, I am going to show you a step on how to make an half-caste whitening body milk. 3 days results. So without taking much of your time, let's quickly go to the workstation. So stay tuned till we get to the workstation. So beauties, we are here on the workstation already. This is our half-caste base. Now on any product you want to make, you have to be mindful of the base you use. On an half-caste cream, you have to use an active base, okay? So you'll be able to get the desired tone you want. So these are our skin-free milk. We are going to add 3 tablespoons to it. Skin-free milk is a strong whitening milk that helps whiten the skin. It clears off all discoloration. I love working with this milk so much. And another oil we are going to add to this mix. This is labijanise oil. We are using 2 tablespoons of it. This oil also is very active. It helps get rid of dark parts of the body. So this is our crude kenacol. You know, as this crude kenacol, it's also a whitening milk. So since it's a half-caste cream we are making, so we are using a lot of whitening serums, whitening addictive into it to help us get the tone we want to achieve. So here is another serum we are adding to it. So when making this lotion, try in as much to get your products here. This is propelyn. Propelyn is an organic oil that helps to make your product to work faster on your body. So now let's stir this very well to get the good consistency that we want. We are still going to add more serums into this. I love this half-caste milk very well. This is what I was using when I wanted to get that yellow tone, you know. But currently I'm not using it anymore, as you all knows that it's not good for you to use a whitening cream on a daily basis. So now I've gotten my desired tone, so that's why I've dropped this lotion for now. All the people I've given this lotion, I have never had any complaint from it. It gives 4 to 5 shades lighter. This is our BB Clear serum. We are adding 2 tablespoons of BB Clear serum. BB Clear, it helps for blemishes. It helps for rashes, skin discoloration. It has a lot of benefits. It contains good products. So here is our piment dough. This is already finished, but I know the measurement that's there. So piment dough is 2 tablespoons we are adding to it. 2 tablespoons. Piment dough help the skin to be very flawless. This is our crude kenacol. 1 tablespoon of crude kenacol we are using for this mix. Remember, it depends on the quantity you are making that will requires how many. Depends on the quantity you are making that will require the measurements of your concentrate you are going to add into your mix. So for me, I'm making a 700 ml of this half cast lotion. I love this lotion. I love it. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now for you to have that good complexion, you have to use this mix with your half cast body scrub. You have to use it with